Dear Maynard, meet me halfway at the crossroads where we played touch footsie, our pedicures glistening bright in the moonlight. Dear Monad, when you were my one and homely, we aired our uglies to ducklings wet as greenbacks aching for a border crossing. Dear Mina, parodying the last politic, dear miner, I'm digging deep for gold, for diamond dust, asbestos, my best friend's girl. Dear Mooney, hugging the cult of the belt, the boot of the bat, the bear and the bull, full of it. Sully my gully, the gray bird rat of the sky screams, dreaming of gullible burgers as the market door swings open to the gray and rainy. Dear Kool-Aid, dear gut rot, dear deadhead, singing Where Have All the Flowers Gone? Dear Dust Bowl, dear Shanghai Shek, dear Shrek, your smile green, your antenna scan the skies of our distant early warning line. Dear Monster Mash, tear me to shredded chicken, I'm so hungry I could cry. Dear Morning Has Broken, dear Token, my best friend's one and only. Dear Mayhem, dear Mooney, howl at it while your vocals stoical, while the chord of your sword still sharp and dark as a Clark's inkling, recording rust and rebar, tea and totals. Dear Moaner, parroting the harp seal and munching flipper pie. Dear Mailman, staking your hot plot and digging deeper where the white man's dug before. I've been working on the stale road, haunting the crossroad where we burnt ghost money, smoking the stairway to heaving boulders rolled from mountains, dynamiting our break on through to the other's mother, the love of my light flight, blasting a rocket ship to Venus. Dear Dolly, gosh golly, implicated in the hog's holly, clearing brush for democracy's propolis, staging the metro's underground for undocumented crossings, while the bees buzz around your head till you can't think straight, and they're measuring your cranium for uranium, digging deeper than down for the black gold to bomb your ass to kingdom kumquat, or some young guy, the vegetables of my digital LAN, thirsty as a burst oil pipe, Skyping me in.